Hey guys, this is Akshit, and today this video will be about steps needed for students to get into data science. So I have written down these steps. So let's see. So the first step is learn Python programming, and this is very essential step because without learning programming and learning it, especially in Python, Python is the most widely used language in data science. Python is the number one, and then comes R, and the rest of the languages are insignificant. These are the two main languages, and which the Python is the topmost. And most of the companies they prefer Python over R. So you need to learn Python programming, and it is pretty easy to learn. So it's not that hard. Then the second step is to learn the course, the data science basically machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and all that. So you have to learn all that. So one way is to learn from the internet by watching YouTube videos or taking some free courses. Then another method is to take a paid course. Then if if you have completed your bachelor's degree, you can get a PG diploma degree, postgraduate diploma, and it has a value because it's a degree and from an educational institute. So that can be one of, if you are I have completed bachelor's, this can be a very useful. Then comes getting master's degree, MTech or MSc in data science. So after you have learned, so I'm assuming that we have not learned the data science part yet, right? So what actually we have not learned it. So after learning it, you have to do your own case study or project. That is very important because it showcases your skills to the recruiters, to the recruiters who are recruiting you for job. And basically, the interview also what they will ask will depend a lot upon the project you have done, and they will ask questions related to your project. So if you do a project a good project, then it will be very good for your CV. And then comes participating in Kaggle competitions. So Kaggle competitions is like, if you are good at Kaggle, you can easily get a job easily. And if you get medals in Kaggle, the companies themselves will ask you to join them. So that is one of the essential steps. And if you are good enough to get medals in Kaggle, then matlab chandi hai. Then you can get an internship. So it's self-explanatory. I do not need to explain that. So yeah, let's start with the first step, Python programming. So for Python, the best way to learn is from YouTube, and Python is very easy to learn. So I myself learned from this video.
In this course, I'm going to teach you.
I will also link the video in the description, so make sure to check the description box. So learn Python full course for beginners tutorial, and this video basically
Everything you need to
covers,
know to get started programming in Python. Now, Python
yeah, this covers everything. Basic all the things needed for a programming language for Python. So the main things in you are not going to develop big softwares and apps by using Python in machine learning. You are just going to implement machine learning algorithms, and that will not require you to learn too much about the Python. So this video is actually pretty good. It covers all the, first of all, installing Python and IDE. So what is IDE? IDE is basically the software on which you are going to code, and it will produce the output. So IDE, the full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So basically, an integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. So source code editor, build automation with a debugger. So basically, you can code on it, and it will also tell you your where you have made mistakes, and it will also help you in auto completing your code. So the most common IDE is PyCharm, and basically you can just follow through this video.
EEs, and that stands for integrated in order. So the first character's name,
So
and that is
printing,
not a
so variables and data types. Okay. Uh, Printing, this covers printing, drawing a shape, variables and data types. This is important. Working with strings is important. Working with numbers, very important. Getting input from users also. Building a basic calculator is very simple. Madlib's game. Okay, what is this?
instead of having, and then down here in the
This is
comment,
also simple. List.
Karen has an
List, tuples, list functions, tuples, and all this comes under data structures. So these are pretty important. You have to learn them. So basically, you go through this video. So basically, learn data structures. Loops are important, and condition, if else condition, and all that is important. While loop, also while loop, for loop, nested loops, recursion. Also, you can maybe it. You can try recursion if it is given in this. I don't know if it is given in this video or not. So yeah. So basically, go through this video once, and just emphasize on what the points I have made. Just emphasize on that. Basically, loops, while loop, for loop, and all that. Loops and if else condition statements, and dictionaries and lists and tuples. These are the important things. Okay, so Python is
in
done.
this tutorial.
Let's go to the next step, which is to learn from the internet without paying anything. Okay, so this is the hard part, because it is difficult to find a good course if you're not willing to pay. So, but there are some, of course, sources from where you can. So one of the YouTube channels is Krishnayak. So this guy basically,
My name is Krishna.
so basically he is like in India one of the biggest YouTubers for data science, and he is himself a data scientist. He works at some company as a lead data scientist. So he knows a lot. So you can just follow this channel, subscribe to it, and you can basically follow this channel, and it has playlists basically. So I will show you one video. Step by step playlist to learn data science through his channel. Okay, so this is the notepad also he has given, and in the description also he has given all the things, all the playlists. Complete machine learning playlist, statistics in machine learning, feature engineering, natural language processing, live stream playlist, machine learning pipelines, complete deep learning, Live projects, deployment, Docker, Tableau, Power BI. So yeah, so basically the main of core of the basically data science is machine learning. So you just make sure that you complete the machine learning playlist. It will benefit a lot, and it starts from the basic installation of Python and software, Anaconda software, and Python basics. So it will start with that, and as you can see, uh, there are a lot of videos, and you can complete this. It's not impossible. So I would recommend you to, if you are looking for a free course, then this is uh, the best way to learn it. Okay, and just follow this one video. I will share the link in the description, and here he has also shared all the playlist, and just follow this. So here also you can see top 24 videos, then go to statistics, then complete fish engineering, then continue the 24 to the rest of the videos. So just make sure that you follow this. So live stream playlist top 10 videos, then you go from here to here. So that that's how you you will be step by step you will be able to learn. So yeah, so another free course is Google's machine learning crash course. Hmm. So this is a fast-paced course, and 30 exercises, 25. So you can see all this 15 hours. So I would recommend that you first go through at least complete the machine learning playlist of till here. You know, complete till this fourth one, and if you can complete, then complete till seventh one if you can. Okay, but at least complete till fourth one before starting this course. So you can start this course, and prerequisites you can see. So prerequisites is you must be comfortable with variables, linear equations, graph of function, histogram, and statistical means. You should be a good programmer. Ideally, you should have some experience programming in Python, because programming exercises are in Python. However, experienced programmers without Python experience can usually complete the programming exercises anyway. Yeah, so basically, also one more thing I forgot to mention, that if you don't know Python, if you know any other language like C++, Java, then Python is very easy to learn. It is the easiest language to learn, and it is very user friendly. So you won't have any problems learning Python. And for new people also, I think the best language to learn is Python only, who are new to programming. So we were seeing free courses for data science from the internet. So NPTEL also gives free courses, but if you want a certificate, then you have to pay around. I think the fees is around 3,000 for certificate, but you can learn for free, so it is pretty good. So NPTEL, yeah, this you have to go by Swayam NPTEL, and here you can search data science, right? So here is Python for data science, machine learning, introduction to machine learning. So these courses are, see, exam is optional for a fee of 1000 rupees. So you can learn for free, and if you want a certificate, then you can pay 1000 rupees and get a certificate. Pass the exam. You have to pass the exam also. So I guess this is also a great way to learn data science for free. So I would really recommend, if you want if you're looking for a free course, then I recommend this NPTEL Swayam. Okay guys, so here you can see it is available at the NPTEL website. Data science, here all the courses of data science are given. Okay, so and if you complete all these courses and pass the exam, you have to pay for 1000 rupees for each course, I guess. So if you pass all the exams, then you will basically get a complete certificate of a certificate of completing all the different courses, uh, domain of data science. So first course, Python for data science or programming data structure and algorithm in Python. So you can choose any one of them. Okay. Then introduction to data analytics or data science for engineers or data analytics with Python. So here it is given basically, which course you need to choose. So choose from CL number 1, CL number 2, one course, CL number 3, one course. Introduction to machine learning. Okay. After you have done all these courses, you can go forward to deep learning, reinforcement learning, artificial intelligence, and all this. So NPTEL is a very, very good uh, website to learn basically data science. So for free. So I would recommend this. Then I will also put the link in the description for this one. And then comes, so then one of the most popular courses in data science in the whole world is the machine learning course by Coursera. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning by Stanford University. This is a free course. Unlike most 99% of the courses on Coursera are paid, but this one is a free course. So you can complete this course for free. If you want a certificate, you have to pay, but unlike many courses, here you do submit assignments and they do grade your assignments. So it has assignments and all that built into it. But there's one major problem with this course, that they don't teach you Python. They do all the they basically do all the So Python is not the programming language. Here Octave is the programming language they use. So Octave is actually Octave or MATLAB. It was used earlier before Python for machine learning and all that. So this is a bit outdated, but the core concepts of machine learning they teach you, and they teach you very well. I have taken this course, so it is a very good course. I will say so, and the teacher is pretty good. Is one of the best teachers, and everything he teaches is with clarity. So yeah, so these are the basically the free courses I would recommend. So guys, I'm a bounce. So guys, I'm gonna end the video now, and from in the next video I will discuss basically the left out parts.